Welcome to the CitizenMe Exchange, the insight platform that helps businesses make better decisions through real human data. Getting started is easy. Just click on one of the simple exchange options and you're away. Give your exchange a title and description that the citizen will see. Select who you want to speak to and how many responses you want. Select the data you want each citizen to exchange with you and start to truly understand your audience like never before. Access demographics, psychometrics, and a wide range of digital data, all from a single place. Add survey questions to get all the information you need. Choose your question type. Add images or video, or add logic to explore in more depth. Pay by card or prepaid credit, then hit go. You'll see results in minutes, not days. Visualize your data in real time by creating charts and tables, then export them for your presentations. For more in-depth analysis, simply download the raw data file. We put citizens in complete control of their data, getting explicit consent for each exchange. Welcome to the future of human insight. Welcome to CitizenMe.